Welcome to Daily Spoken English Stories.
Yeah, we're going on fun adventures
And learning to speak English every day.
Let's go!
Good morning, sleepy team. Time to wake up.
5 more minutes, please.
My eyes are still sleeping, Dad.
Good morning, my stars. Let's stretch. Up and down.
Stretch your arms. Big stretch.
Like this? Whoa, I'm wiggling!
I'm a dancing noodle.
Good job! Now, let's make our beds. There we go, all neat and tidy.
Fold the blanket. Nice and neat.
Oops, my pillow ran away.
I found it. Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you, sweetie. Teamwork is great.
Next, bathroom time. Wash your face.
Splash, splash, cold water!
Rub, rub, rub. My face is clean.
Brush your teeth. Up and down, round and round.
Shiny teeth. Smile.
Cheese, my teeth are happy. Mine too.
Now, get dressed. Shirt first, then pants.
Left arm, right arm. Good.
My sock is hiding.
Found it under the bed.
Thank you for helping. You're welcome, Mom.
Yeah, we love helping. I'm so proud of you.
Let's go to the kitchen. Breakfast time.
Yay, I smell toast.
And milk.
Sit nicely, hands on the table.
What do we say?
Please.
Thank you, Mom. I eat my eggs. Yum!
I drink my milk. Slurp.
Eating well makes us strong.
After breakfast, pack your bags.
Book, check. Pencil, check.
Toy? Oops, not today.
School tools only, buddy.
Okay, Dad.
Let's review. What did we do? Good habits make good days. Family time is the best time. Good morning, family. Today is cleaning day.
Cleaning day! Let's make our home shine. Who wants to help?
Me.
I do.
Look, toys everywhere, books on the floor.
It's messy.
I'll pick up my toys.
I'll sweep the floor. Swish, swish.
I'll tidy the books.
I'll dust the shelves.
Clean means making things nice.
Sweep means brushing away dirt.
Like this, Daddy?
Exactly. You're doing great.
Tidy means putting things where they belong.
Working together makes everything easier.
Clean, clean, clean.
Sweep, sweep, sweep. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Sweep, sweep, sweep.
Our home is shining.
Tidy, tidy, tidy. Tidy, tidy, tidy. Tidy, tidy, tidy. We did it together.
Great teamwork, everyone.
Yeah!
I love you guys.
Love you too.
Let's keep it clean.
Cleaning is fun with family.
Let's make our home shine.
Hey everyone, don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, and hit the bell for more fun. Subscribe now.